Here is the Toyota CHR. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the passenger side door. Let's open up the glove box and whatever stuff you have in there, get it out. Now grab that dampener arm and pull it off the clip and then push it to get it out of the way. Now you see that stopper? We need to push it in to get it out, and the other one, just pull the glove box inwards, and now the glove box should just come right out of place and give you access to the cabin filter. That's the cover for it. Press on the clip over there and unclip it. Now at an angle, slide the cover out of those two slots over there on the side. Good. Now that is the cabin air filter. Just grab it and slide it right out. Now we need to get this filter out of the housing there. It's flexible, so you'll be able to just squeeze it and get it out. The top side is the dirty side. That's where the dirt is trapped. The bottom side is the clean side. The reason why it's designed this way is so that when you pull the filter out, all the dirt stays trapped on the filter and it comes out as opposed to just falling inside the car. Check the link in the description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself. Get the new filter and let's just put it back in. I'm just going to put this old filter back in for now. In your case, you'll have to get a new filter. Again, squeeze it a little bit so that it gets underneath those 4 clips, so that way it stays in place. Good. And now let's put this entire housing back inside there, and there's an arrow on it up. Make sure it's pointed in the correct direction. Yep, that arrow right there. Now let's get the cover. Same thing, make sure the arrow is pointed in the right direction. First, let's get this side in with those 2 tabs which slide in those 2 slots. Goes in at an angle. Now push this to secure it, and now the cover is secured, and that is good. Now this dampener arm should not be falling off, but if it does fall off for any reason, I'll show you how to put it back on. You see that those 2 alignment holes that goes on the clip. This is the second hole. That's the one that goes on the clip right there. Just get it on the clip and then push it on to secure it, and that is good. Now let's just pull it out to make it easier when we put it back in. Now this cutout for the glove box, it goes on the hinge over there and over there. So just line it up straight. Make sure the glove box is sort of parallel to the ground, just the way I'm showing. And then try closing it and pushing it forward. Apply some force that way, it'll click on. That's good. And let's try closing it with some force. Good. Grab the damper arm, put it on the clip and push it down to secure it. Let's try closing the glove box now. This is working good, and that is pretty much it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.